you think? Holy smokes. Alright, welcome back to Trailer Park Garage. This is going to be a fast-paced intro because we got a fast-paced weekend ahead of us. So, quick recap. I've been at work all week. Taking care of some shit, fixing some things up. Haven't worked on any hot rods. Zero. So, quick news. Captain's car is coming back. So, I need to run to Godey's, pick up a transmission, the 180 Glide that is for his car. But if Chris don't text me back, or if something goes wrong there, or if, I don't know, just because I got one, we're going to load up the Freak Show Glide and take it just in case we got to put it back in the car. Whole Milk isn't ready for it yet, and hopefully we might be able to do an update on that somehow. But here's our plan. I go get the transmission, go to Caps's, put the motor the rest of the way together, mate everything, converter, transmission to the motor, transmission in the car, accessories, turbos, exhaust, drive system, all of that shit. After we get that done, probably be 1, 2, 3 in the morning, maybe go find a place to test and not get arrested this time. After that, probably go home, get some rest, run back up there, and go to Beacon for the Backhalf race that they got going on. So we're gonna go slow all weekend. And no, I'm just kidding, clowning on you Backhalf guys. But we're gonna go try to win some money. I ain't been in the seat of a hot rod in forever, and that makes me think I need to go find my suit, my helmet, and all that glorious stuff. We're excited, but we're running ragged right now. So intro over. Hope you guys enjoy the video. We are out. Come on. Oh shit. Check it out. Come on. Huh. Note on the door. You see this note?
I seen it. That's like a day old.
No shit. Everybody get their daily dose of Troy.
So this guy rents trailers next door, and a guy came to rent one of his trailers and took Caps's trailer, left with it.
Oh, no shit.
Yeah, brought it back and left $20 under a block, and this guy went and got the money, so that's why that note's on the door to call, tell us not to call the cops.
Oh.
There's so many people gang banging Caps's trailer, I didn't even think to call the cops.
Cool.
So.
You done anything in your hot rod?
Oh, I worked on my intake. You see my intake?
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, check that out.
Oh, come on. Booster. Come on.
Unfailing.
Wow. Look at that. That's hard to make that look bad. Wow.
A bunch of that. Looks like a bunch of Benjamins.
A bunch of Benjamins. You should get that engraved in it. A bunch of Benjamins, and then get like a little $100 bill.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I could have another 4,000 in it.
Yeah. Alright, everybody's live. Answer the question, Troy. You think we'll make it?
The question is, do you think we're going to make it to Beacon in less than 24 hours from now?
With your car?
With that motor in it that doesn't have heads on it in my car.
I think you can if you work long enough. I'll be at bed by the time y'all get that thing going now.
tell him. We've got a little bit accomplished, eh?
Long way to go.
Long way to go. Cylinder heads are on it. Give you a little checkpoint. Get back to work. Come on.
And look at that Jasper tag.
Oh, I forgot all about that. Get you some. Yeah,
Jasper,
baby.
we need a sponsor.
We need a sponsor, please. We're gonna need about 6 or 7 more. Come on. Troy is too, ain't he? With all this moon boostness he's got. Uh-oh. Check it out. Got the freak show converter in it, everything. Cap, what do you think?
Go or blow.
That's right. What are we good at?
Blowing.
Oh, don't say that. I'm bleeping that out. That's gay. We're about to put this in the car. So, we've been working hard, slaving. We'll be back in a minute. You think when we come back it'll be in the car?
In it or running?
In it.
Sure.
Okay.
Didn't record none of that.
No, I recorded all of it. What do you think?
What do I think?
You're gonna have to beat it.
Still gonna blow.
Still gonna blow?
You don't want to be on TV?
Oh man, as soon as you said it, I'm gonna zoom right in on your grill.
Come on,
Come get you some.
Woody, don't be bashful.
Come on.
Yeah, get on camera now because it ain't gonna be good next week.
We don't need that negativity in our life.
He got a million of them.
It's leaking like a dog now.
What is?
Trans.
That line?
Yeah. Bruh.
What?
What do you think?
It's gonna blow.
I don't know. Revved pretty quick. Sounded pretty good. Fat.
A little flat.
A little leaky. We'll fix it, eh? Wes will fix it. Come On.
You got it tight as fuck.
Caps, what do you want to say? Good night.
It didn't blow up.
All right, we're done for the night. Beacon tomorrow. We'll see what happens. Time to go to bed. Caps done body my police car. What do you think about the financial investment?
Oh, the cop car?
Yeah.
Dave finally got to ride in front of one.
What do you think about it?
I agree with him. I finally got to ride in the front of one.
Yes. All right, so we're back. We got a list of shit we got to do and knock some stuff off. Easy shit. We'll get it done, get it started up. Let Troy do a big old wheelie in it.
In what?
In the hot rod here.
Oh.
Not gonna happen?
Well, if it does wheelies, it ain't as fast. Make it where it don't.
Come on. All right, so we're at the racetrack. Wes is here. He's fixed everything as always. Thank God for Wes. We just love him so much. We brought 0 tools. Left didn't bring not one tool. Fuel, that was it. So Wes checked over the tune. We're getting ready to go make a pass. Track's been wet, trying to dry it up, but we're gonna try it, see what happens. Let's go. Put that shit. You know your chungus, right? Alright, so first pass, off trailer, new combo, new converter, new all kinds of stuff. Straight down Broadway. We had a problem. I don't know if we got the video of it, but crank sensor come unplugged. No biggie. Plug it back in, fix the pigtail, check tranny fluid again, got it all topped off, put some power in it. So we're gonna go back out here, see what we can do. First round, we got Rory, our buddy. We've talked about him, trailer park garage all the time. So don't know how it's gonna go. We'll just see. We got some power in it, so hopefully we don't hurt it. Come on. Alright, so first pass against Rory. The car can take some more power up front, so we're creeping up on the tune-up because we don't want to overshoot it. We don't have traction control, and we're working with a pretty weird little surface here. So at about the 330 on, it's starting to get up on top of the tire, and I can feel it. So we're going to leave the boost curve alone and everything up top, We're gonna put a little bit more RPM in it to get some boost out of the starting line and just keep creeping up on it, see what it does. Hopefully it'll make another 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds, and hopefully we can win second round. So come on. All right, so that is the end of what we thought was gonna be a winter chicken dinner. Rained us out, brand new combo, freak show converter, new motor, car's back together. Caps, you wanna tell me anything we got?
It didn't blow.
It didn't blow. He's been saying it all week. Guess what? Didn't do it. There's a bunch more power left in it, like double the amount of boost that we ran tonight. What else? I mean, just sky's the limit. We can keep crawling on that tune-up right there. That's something that I feel safe to unload and take to Shreveport and that road that we raced on last weekend. I think that tune-up would have boogied. Probably went 60s, 50s. I don't know. But we're out of here. Thanks for watching the video. We're tired. Wish we would have won a little bit more money, because I think we could have. Rach, you got anything you want to tell them?
No.
Thanks,
Alright.
Wes, for tuning on the car.
Thanks, Wes.
Troy, for your parts.
Yeah, thanks everybody for helping.
And thank you, Freak Show Converters.
Oh, Michael Reeves, baby.
You
we
are our
love
hero.
to see it. Yeah, you're our hero. But that's it. We're out of here. Peace out. We're tired. Come on.